Hello, peoples! How does one color traditional art digitally without completely messing up the artwork? Keywords? Layer modes. First, have your traditional line art open on the drawing program of your choice. I am personally using IbisPaint on my phone. Instead of putting your coloring layers below your line art layer, you put your coloring layer above the line art layer. In order to make it work, you set the coloring layer modes from normal to multiply. That way, you can easily color your traditional line art digitally as if you're using a marker on it. If you want to apply shading and lighting on a different layer, simply create 2 new layers on top of the coloring layer, one set to multiply for shading, and the other set to add for lighting. Then afterwards, you make a new layer to paint a background around your character, and you're pretty much done at that point. Something to keep in mind with when illustrating or painting digitally is to always remember that layer modes are your best friend in any digital art application. So take full advantage of that. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe. My art and design commissions are open if anyone is interested. Got 3 slots currently open as of today. I also have a Ko-fi, so you can donate to support me. And depending on the amount you donate, you may get a character sketch of your choice. I have more phone art videos coming up, so stay tuned.